In this video I'm going to show you how you can set up link protection with Nightbot. My name is Trui and I'm extremely support videos. Stream smarter, not harder. But before I begin, I stream every Tuesday and Friday, 8 PM Central European Time on twitch.tv/Trui. Feel free to hop in and ask anything about streaming. Let's go to nightbot.tv and log in. Then go to the left and click on Spam Protection. We need to make sure that links is on, enabled. You can see this with the blue enabled before the links. Then click on Options. In the top here we see whitelist. Right here you can make sure that certain websites are allowed even though you have this link protection on. It says this is the list of allowed links. Enter one entry per line. That means that if you want to add a second one, you need to make use of an enter. You can allow entire websites like youtube.com or specific links like twitter.com/thenightbot. What this means is if you would allow twitch.tv, then you would allow the whole link. If you would allow twitch.tv/Trui, you would only allow my link to my channel. I would recommend that you guys allow things like Diva, the Overwatch character, because there's a dot in between them. You will run into a lot of those, so make sure that you just keep adding them in your whitelist. I also recommend that you will add your own social media. For me, that's twitter.com/Trui on Twitch and stuff like that. For you, well, that's your link, obviously. And another thing you might want to whitelist is clips.twitch.tv, where people can copy your clips and post them in your chat. This way, people are not going to get timed out if they place a clip of you in your chat. Then a timeout length. It says 600 seconds now. That is 10 minutes because there's 60 seconds in a minute. Yeah. You can set the timeout duration for posting links as long as you want or as short as you want. If you set this on only one, this means that the person is timed out for 1 second, which is barely nothing, but the link will be removed out of the chat. Then we have exempt user level. This means that people from this rank do not get affected by this link protection. So right now it's on subscribers. This means that subscribers are able to post links. Usually trolls don't subscribe to your channel as it costs money, so usually it's pretty okay to let it be on subscribers and trust your subscribers to post links. If you do not want this, you can just click on it and set it on owner or moderators, depending if you want your moderators to be able to do it as well. Owner is just you, so if you're not trusting anybody, you can use the owner. Then silent. So normally if somebody gets a timeout, the bot will tell them that they got a timeout. If you don't want that in your chat, you just have to tick the silent button and the bot will not actually say this. Then we can add a custom message. Here we can say something about the fact that they just got timed out for posting a link. We can also just not fill it in and that will be the default message. But if you want to be cheeky and get some funny message in there, you can do that right here. And then we click on submit. Right now we have link protection on. What we need to make sure of is that we go to our own Twitch channel and type /mod Nightbot. Just like that. Now it's a moderator and it can do a lot more on your channel. You will not run into problems with it anymore. The second thing we need to do is go back to Nightbot, go to dashboard and make sure that this thing says part channel. If it says join channel, make sure to click on it and Nightbot will join your Twitch channel. If it's not there, you can always click on part channel and join channel again, because your Nightbot needs to be in your chat to be able to actually do this. I've got a lot more tutorials about Nightbot, for example making a lurk command, shoutout command, like a lot of them. So just hop into this playlist with me and I will see you right there.